Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wild. Today we are talking about Uber might end up deleting my account. TikToker shares Google voice hack to get Uber Eats discounts. First off, I didn't even know there was such a thing as a Google voice hack. I've never heard of it, but apparently you can get serious discounts on Uber Eats. But with those discounts, are you still going to be getting the same amount of tips? I don't know. I am seeing how this person only paid 48 cents, so I sincerely doubt the driver was paid properly. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A hack using Google Voice to exploit phone numbers for new user promotions through food delivery service Uber Eats has gone viral on TikTok, drawing in over 31,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? This feels more like a new user promotion hack than is a Google Voice hack, but I definitely see what people are saying. I will say this though, I know that on Doordash they made it so that way phone numbers that are not attached to a physical phone company can't actually be used on the platform, so I wouldn't be surprised if Uber Eats applies that in the near future. In his video, user Hermanknowit says he was able to leverage coupon codes acquired by using the Google Voice app to bring in order for 10 chicken fajita tacos to less than 50 cents. I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. 10 chicken fajita tacos for less than 50 cents. That's a solid outcome there. Today is Taco Tuesday, and I don't mess with Taco Tuesday, he says in the video. 10 fajita chicken street tacos for 48 cents. Look at that breakdown. Let me tell you how I do this. I'm curious how you do this. Jesus. The TikToker shows a screenshot of his Uber Eats receipt on the green screen behind him. You gotta go from your current Uber Eats and get a Google Voice number, he explains. Refer yourself from your current account to your Google Voice number, then get $20 off a $25 order, and then you get it on both accounts. So you're actually using the Refer a Friend program to discount the values of the orders. I mean, I guess that's pretty cool. Pretty scummy, but it's pretty cool. Not to mention, you can actually be deactivated on all your accounts for that. He describes the method as extreme couponing for Uber Eats and acknowledges that it may soon no longer be available if the food delivery service catches wind of it. I mean, they're gonna catch wind of it now, fam. Several viewers remarked that the poster's explanation of how he got his Uber Eats order down to that price was complicated enough that they could not understand it. You gotta make a how-to video now. And even by the time you post it doesn't mean it's still viable. I didn't understand this, but I'm rooting for you, friend. You're brilliant and you're going places, one commenter wrote. If that's what it takes to go places, Jesus. You know what the sad part is that I really do think that's how some people get promoted in life. Like, how do we have some of the idiots that we do running our country? Lost me at Google Voice number at this point. I'm paying for convenience, another said. That's true. That's true. Are you removing the convenience factor that you're paying for by going through all of these hoops to get your order delivered to you at such a heavily discounted rate? It's a good question. Baby Wee is lost and third added. Others caught on to what he was saying and wrote that they would soon be trying it out for themselves. Thanks. I understood every bit of it and will be ordering before Uber finds out, one commented. I sincerely doubt it's gonna be a thing for long, so keep that in mind. As a fellow Uber Eats scammer, I understood all of this, a second user shared. I hate that this is such a promoted thing. Like, can we stop trying to game the system? I'm not the brightest person, but I always understand a good scam. A further TikToker joked. Is something wrong with me? There's something wrong with all of us. You find any ounce of joy and excitement from seeing a company get scammed out of $20 off per Google Voice number? That's frustrating in its own right. Like, no wonder why the company's not making money. We got too many people like this going on. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. If you ever wonder why Uber Eats or Uber is not making money right now, this is part of it. Regardless of your opinion on the subject, this does not make it right. I know that these companies have overcharged everybody for a long period of time, and that could lead people down the path of wanting to get back at them in that right, but that doesn't mean you should. Not to mention, you can have all your accounts deactivated, whether you're a Uber Eats customer on one side and a Google Voice Uber Eats customer on another side, and a driver. If you also use this as a driver, this may be a thing that you might want to avoid. And I know that a lot of drivers don't even use the gig apps at all, but if you do, think about that for a second. All in all, this is a hack that you might not even be able to exploit for long, but you shouldn't be exploiting at all to begin with. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.